All right, so let's go ahead and take a tour here. Room 231, the STEM Fab Lab part of Stow-Munroe Falls High School. So this space is an old metal shop that we are looking to completely redesign and transform here. It is bare bones, but it has all the structural integrity that we need in here in terms of the correct electrical supplies, as well as some air lines, and some ventilation as well. So our goal of this expo is to help completely redesign this space. Obviously the paint color needs change, we can see that, but it's getting in the equipment that we need to best serve our students. And in doing so, we're going to be able to provide these high need industry recognized credentials that Buckeye Educational Systems is awesome with, helping us get the content, the machines, the equipment to teach those and getting the students access to that. So today's meeting, we're hosting to get industry input from a wide variety of my industry partners. I have other high schools coming. I have community members coming to give input into how to best redesign this space to fit the needs of the current workforce, the workforce that is yet to be developed in our area, as well as our students' needs at that age range. So our front space here, really from these pillars forwards, is turning it into more of a kind of classroom feel, because we do have to have that for the students. So a projector on the wall there, coming down, big projector screen, and kind of more of the desk seating area up in this area, but then moving back into a well-defined kind of that fabrication space, where right here we already have some electrical connections and compressed air potentially for a large-scale CNC table in this area, and or plasma cutter. That would be ideal if we're able to obtain both those. They have in-room ventilation options as well as external ventilation options, which we have already looked at budgeting to plumb out, right? And then our corner over here is hopefully, ideally, 5 welding booths, maybe 4, doing 1 ADA compliant, because we never know, we might have that wheelchair person come in, and we're gonna plan for that, right? Here, so imagine a big rectangle of space with 4 to 5 welding booths here for the students to get in for principles of welding, where we are teaching basic MIG, flux core, TIG, and stick welding. And then we're back to kind of that classroom feel, but going upstairs, again, utilizing that balcony space for our potential home improvement projects, right? With the framing, the plumbing, and the electrical wiring. Industry comes in and say, hey, we really want to see you guys focus more on some automation, right? Robotics. Okay, great. Maybe we pivot away from adding the welding booths in, and this area becomes an automation zone, right? Which could easily be, or we get some flexible seating and some tables, and we have some automation up front, or in this big open area. Again, we really are valuing that industry feedback to make that happen and decide on our direction to go.